This is the WEPOTO camera grip for the X-T3, so let's crack it open and see if it's any good. Standard affair over here. You can see I got this one in red sandalwood. Well, that was the only option given to me on Amazon. I do like the idea of either this purple sandalwood or the black walnut perhaps. Now, I'll probably say it again, but I'm not really a big fan of wooden bits on my working camera anyway. Let's have a little look inside. This thing is available for a bunch of camera bodies, so you know, if it's any cop, then that could be cool. Well, it's not just any old cloth, it's a black lens cloth. Cool, nice. And that's everything there, and I think there's a little treat inside as well. There's the actual grip, and there is a soft release for the shutter. Well, it's a nice little extra, and I'll be honest, I haven't bothered fitting one to any of my Fujis or any camera for that matter, but we'll check that out too. Nice little pouch as well. And what we've actually come to see, the grip. Now, naturally, grips aren't that exciting, and arguably not always that necessary. Depends on your hand and on your usage. I find that a grip helps me on a long shoot, and I leave it on my X-T3, my X-T2. I just leave them on there, it's fine then. And it really does just ease the tension when I've been shooting for a number of hours. Granted, I'm not holding the camera solid for 8-10 hours a day, but I am grabbing it constantly across that time, and a little bit of extra grip has helped me. So for me, it's a good thing. Now this one, that does look like a proper piece of wood there. Give it a quick sniff. Right, Arca Swiss style plate there, as you've probably seen on the other grips that I've looked at. Not my favourite little thing here with the logo business, but it's on the back, so it's a muchness and you can get rid of it. Right, it all looks to be engineered well. For most of us, the grip is fine for normal use. You know, let's not hate on it. I don't have any issues about the grip. I just find that an extra bit of grip has helped me over the time. So let's get this one on. As with a bunch of these, it's got a nice little handle there to turn, but if not, you can just screw it there with a coin or with the hex key in the middle. Battery, yep, we can deal with the battery, no problem at all. We can clearly open the side doors, nothing's blocking there. Let's take a look and just see how it feels. Does it feel flush? I think it fits absolutely fine. I don't have a problem with that, and it looks kind of nice actually. I'm not gonna lie, I might even consider using a dart version. The extra bit of grip that it gives, you can see it's not a lot, but that's fine. It just gives that extra bit to make it more usable, especially for someone with a larger hand, well, larger hand than me. You know, I think it looks the part. It feels solid, it doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. The solid wood, I guess over time that could see some wear, and that will actually tell us just how solid that wood is. A nice bonus of pretty much all the grips I've tried is I can attach it, if I do this the right way around, straight to my Arca Swiss style ball head, and then I'm good to go. Let's have a little look at this stuff here. Now there's no instructions, but you know, if you're capable of screwing something in, I don't think you've got a big problem there. Concave, convex and flat with some texture. But that's enough of that. Let's screw one of these onto the shutter button. Doesn't look too bad, does it? What do you reckon? You can see it then raises up the shutter action a few millimeters higher, which might be more comfortable for you. I don't know who these WEPOTO people are, but this basically seems like a decent product, and pretty good price. You know, I think this is going for, what was it, 58, 59 pounds, a lot cheaper than the official, as far as I know. I mean, I'm having a bit of a getting old moment this week, but I'm sure you can't get this style, solid wood style, officially. Someone's definitely going to correct me if I'm wrong. Feels good, feels solid. Everything that you need is accessible. There are cutouts, if that's even the right word, where they're supposed to be. You can tighten up there if need be. It looks pretty cool, you know. I think I need to just admit it. It does look okay. But what do you reckon? Let us know in the comments below what you think about this, especially, and we've said it before, especially if you've used it. We want to hear from any long-term users. I'm confident about this. I might even leave it on for a bit and have a bit of fun with it and see how it goes. I mean, I do like my L bracket, but I don't necessarily need the L side of it. It's pretty handy for getting on the tripod vertically or on the monopod. But this one, nothing wrong with it at all. Although, me personally, I would like a darker version. So WEPOTO, if that's even how you say it, if you're listening, I'd like a darker version. Just because. Well, there we go. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the comments below.